हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आम छोट समय ए फॉर एप्पल बी फॉर बॉल एहीपरी पढ़ी आसुचु। आज आम आम चैनल रियल लाइब्रेरी एठारु जेड पर्यंत प्रत्येक अक्षर को नहीं हिंदू धर्मर एक विशेष तथ्य विषय जानिबा। ताहले आसंतु वीडियोटी को आम स्टार्ट करिबा। ए फॉर अर्जुन इज ए ग्रेट वॉरियर। बी फॉर बलराम इज ब्रदर ऑफ कृष्णा। C for Chanakya is an ideal teacher. Justify the statement. D for Dhruva is a star and he is a great devotee. E for Ekalavya is a great devotee to Guru Dronacharya. F for four Vedas are holy books of Hinduism. G for Gayatri Mata is mother of knowledge. H for Hanuman is a great devotee to Sri Ram. I for Indra is the god of heaven. J for Jatayu was a divine bard and great savior in Ramayana. K for Krishna teaches Bhagavad Gita to Arjuna. L for Lavakusha are sons of Sitarama. M for Markandeya is Chiranjeevi and great devotee of Lord Shiva. N for Narada recites Narayana Narayana mantra always. O for Omkara is a divine sound. P for Prahlada sees Lord Vishnu everywhere. Q for Queen Gandhari is symbolic of the role of Hindu women. R for Ram is a great ruler of Ayodhya and great son of King Dasarath. S for Surya is the creator of the universe and the source of all life. T for Tulasi is the goddess of Ayurvedic plants. U for Uddhava Gita taught by Lord Krishna to Uddhava, friend of Krishna. V for Vamanavatar is one of the Dasavatar of Lord Vishnu. W for Water Ganga is the goddess of the rivers. X for Khirabdi Dwadashi is a Hindu ritual. Y for Yashoda is Krishna's mother. Z for Jambavanta is a great devotee of Sri Rama and Chiranjeevi.